Hello there! I'm Steve Rivers and I'm from Unbeatable Energy, and we've got a really exciting day today because we are doing a drumming team building session using our African Djembe drums. Here they are, they're all lined up and they're all ready to go into our lovely electric van. We have reached our destination. We're just about to run a team building group with our lovely djembe drums that are going to come up soon, and we're going to make beautiful drum music. Well, there you have it. Did you see that? What an amazing sound. The sound of people playing together. It's electric. It's absolutely electric. It's unbeatable energy. And that's who we are. And this is the energy we specialize in. It's getting the energy to find that people find when they're playing music together. So we are here, we are Unbeatable Energy. You could book us for your team building session, your away day, your diversity day, your well-being day. It ticks all those boxes, or you could get us to break the ice at your next conference. So to find out more, go to our website, unbeatable-energy.co.uk, and talk to us about making unbeatable energy in your company.